Hello tiny wonders! Welcome to Guess the Word by Emojis. Can you decode the emojis and guess the right word? Let's find out. Are you able to guess this word? Yes, X-pop. Now guess this easiest one. You're right, peanut butter. What is this yummy yummy? Perfect, cheesecake. Now let me know this tricky one. You're right, Starbucks. I think this is the easiest one. Write your answer in comment box. Correct. Toothbrush. This is my favorite. Correct. Watermelon. Now guess this word. Taco Bell. Are you able to guess this word? All kids' favorite, French fries. The most playing game. Are you able to guess? Football. Now guess this word. Campfire. I think you know the answer. Correct. Onion rings. What about this tricky one? Perfect. Lighthouse. I think every girl knows this word. Correct. Earrings. What about this word? Bunny. This is the most viral emoji. Are you able to guess? Right, jellyfish. Let me know the answer for this word. Monkey. Now this is the tricky one. Right, these are lipsticks. Also the most common question on the internet. Correct, sunflower. Are you able to guess? Handbag. Now guess this most complicated word. Waterfall. Thanks for watching our video. Please hit the subscribe button, like and share.